Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram video not playing. Well, it's very easy to do it, but very first thing you have to do, check your internet connection. Maybe your internet is slow. Yeah, that could be a possibility. So just turn off your internet and turn on your internet once again. But still, if you're facing that problem, we will do one thing. We will just go to the Telegram, right? Once we go into the Telegram, on the top left side corner, you will see the three lines. Just click over there. Now just go to the settings. When we go to the settings here, you will get this option of data and storage. Make sure your data storage, right? Just click on data usage, and here it will show you each and everything. But here it could be turn on or turn off when use mobile data. So maybe just click over there and see that whether your video is completely downloaded or not before playing it, right? So it's very easy. Now we will just, if it's still your problem is not got solved, then there is one more solution. We will just go to the settings of our phone. Once we here tap apps, so basically you have to go to the app management. Once you go to the app management, where app management is basically, it will show you all the apps which is available in your phone, right? Once we here, we will search the Telegram. Just click on Telegram. Now just go to this data, sorry, you have to go to the storage usage. Now clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, it will 90% of people problem gets solved from this. But if it doesn't, then just click on manage space, right, and clear cache. You could just delete it from here too, right, and you can just delete it from here too, and it will fix your problem forever. So I hope you found this video really useful, but still you can just clear local database. So it will, you have to re-log in into your Telegram. So make sure, that's a warning for you. If you want to do that, you can do it, and it will solve your problem forever. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.